Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Hunter. So in this video today, I'll show you that how you can create your WordPress fashion lifestyle blog in next few minutes. Okay, so you can see that this is my beautiful looking fashion lifestyle blog. Okay, all right. So you can see that I have already installed WordPress in my hosting, and I also have purchased domain name and hosting for creating website. You can watch my other tutorial that how you can install WordPress and purchase domain name and hosting for creating your website. I will leave the link in the description down below. Okay, so simply just after installing WordPress in your hosting account, what you have to do is to simply log into your WordPress dashboard and click on this appearance. And from here, you have to install a new theme called Astra. Astra is the most popular theme in the WordPress repository, which already have more than 1 million plus active installations. So click on Add New from here. And after that, simply search here for Astra, okay? And from here, simply click on Install. You can see that it's installing. And after that, we have to activate this theme. You can see that the theme successfully installed, and then click on Activate. And after that, you can see that new theme activated. It says to visit our site. So let me open this link in a new tab and visit our site. You can see that this is how our site is looking like right now. So come back to your WordPress dashboard, and from here, click on this Get Started button. And you can see that it says activating. This is actually activating the Astra Starter Templates plugin. And from here, select Page Builder, Elementor. Here are three other page builders, which is Beaver Builder, Gutenberg, and also Breezy. But I'm going to use Elementor. So simply select Elementor and wait for a few seconds. Okay, so don't panic here. Just you have to wait. And after waiting, you will come to this page, and from this drop down here, select free, okay? And scroll down, just keep scrolling. All right, scroll more. Or you can simply search here in this search bar, fashion lifestyle blog, and you will get this demo here. Just simply click on it, and from here, click on Import complete site, okay? And from here, click on Import, and then click on Skip, or you can enter your first name, etc. here, but I'm not giving the information here. I'm just simply clicking on Skip, and you can see that it says importing. So you can see that the import is successfully completed, and from here, click on Visit Site. And you can see that this is how our website looks like, okay? It looks really nice. I'll show you that how you can edit the website, how you can add your own image, etc. Okay? So let me just close this tabs from here, all this extra tab. I don't love too much tabs, okay? And simply come back to your WordPress dashboard and click on this close icon from here. And let's go and see that how we can create a post in our WordPress website, okay? So before creating a post, let me just visit the blog page. So click on Visit Site from here and click on Blog. You can see that this is how our blog page actually looks like, okay? This is how our blog page looks like. We have a beautiful slider here in our blog page, okay? And we have a blog grid layout. You can click on Read More. We have some social links, etc. So let me just visit this blog single page. You can see that this is how our blog details page looks like. We have a comment box here. The user can easily leave a comment, okay? And you can reply as admin. So let's go and see that how we can actually add a blog post. So simply go back to your WordPress dashboard And from here, what you can do is simply click on this post. And for adding a new post, you have to simply click on this add new. Okay. You can see that we already have some posts here. This is the list, but we are actually going to add a new post right now. So simply click on that add new. So first of all, you can see that here it says add title. You can enter your post title right here. So let me just enter a post title here. Suppose our first first blog post. Okay. And here you can enter your images, your text, videos, etc., etc., a lot of things. Okay, so let me just enter some text here. But before that, go to Google and let me copy some dummy text, lorem ipsum. Go to lorem ipsum. Okay, in this website you can get some dummy text. Simply copy and just paste it here. Okay. That's how you can actually paste some text, your article here, and you can also add an image under this. So just press enter and click on this plus icon, and here search for a block called image, and here is the image block. Simply click on this, and after that from here click on upload. Okay, and let me just choose an image. Suppose this image from here, and you can see that I have uploaded an image. You can add a caption here, or you can resize this. You can simply resize this like this. Okay, it's really easy. And you can also enter a heading. Suppose you want to add here a heading, so simply click on this plus icon, and from here select this heading, and suppose travel in Indonesia, Indonesia. Okay, and simply let me just change the heading 2 into heading 3. By default it's heading 2. If you want to change it, this one, you can change into heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, and also in heading 6. Let me just give this heading 3. Okay, and you can enter here some other text. So let me just copy this text from here and simply enter text, and let me just change the color of specific text, or actually a specific word. So simply I just want to change all of these words color. So select all of this. First of all, I want to make this bold, so click on this, and if you want to change the color, then what you can actually do is simply click on this, but before that simply select this. All right, and from here text color, let me choose, okay, all right, this is the text color. Okay, I have chosen this color, that's why it becomes like this. All right, so after that, let me just show you that how you can add a post category. Suppose you want to add a post category, simply click on this post, and from here click on this categories. Right here you can see that we already have some categories available here, but I want to add a new category. So for that, simply click on add new category and enter your new category name here. Suppose first post learning. Okay, we are learning how to create a post. That's why I'm adding this here. Okay, just for example purposes. In your case, you have to enter your category's name, and then scroll down, and you can also add here the tags. Suppose best website, etc., etc. Okay, and you can add multiple tags here. And let's enter a featured image. So simply click on this and go to media library. From here you can also add images from Pixabay. Simply you can search here. Suppose I want to add here computer image, computer. Okay, this will be my thumbnail image actually. That's why I want a beautiful image, and select this. All right, and from here you can see that this is the image I want. Click on save and insert. It's downloading. Actually, you need an internet connection if you are going to add this image from pixabay.com, okay, to your own website. You can see that my image is not downloading right now. That's why I'm going to choose an image from my media library. So choose a And suppose I want to choose this image, okay, and click on the Set Featured Image, and you can see that we have successfully added this image as a featured image. And after that, simply click on Publish, and again click on Publish, okay. And from here, click on View Post. All right, open this link in a new tab, and you can see that this is actually your post, okay. And let's visit the blog page from here. You can see that this is how our blog page actually looks like. This is the blog post that we have added. All right. Click on Home. Let's visit our home page. So let's go and see that how we can add a new page. So for adding a new page, simply go back to your WordPress dashboard, and from here at the left hand side, click on this Pages. And friends, you can see that we have the list of pages which is already available, but we want to add a new page. So for that, simply click on Add New. And here you can easily add a page name. Suppose I'm adding new page. Okay, it's my new page. And click on Publish. And you can see that we have successfully published our page. And then open link in a new tab. And you can see that actually this is our new page. Okay, so let me just show you that how we can add this new page to our navigation. So simply go back to your dashboard and hover over here on Appearance, and from here click on Menus, and simply scroll down and click on View All from these pages, and check this new page and click on Add to Menu. And you can see that you can simply drag it for changing the position, but I'm just simply keep this here. And after that, click on Save Menu, go to the front end and reload. And you can see that we have successfully created a new page. Okay, you can edit this new page using the Elementor page builder, or you can also use the Gutenberg page builder. Okay, I'm not going to show you that today because we have another tutorial. I will leave the video description down below, okay, about that. So let me just show you that how we can actually edit a page, okay. So suppose I want to edit my home page. So for doing that, simply click on Edit with Elementor. And after that, this is how it looks right now. Suppose you want to change this text here, okay. Let's create your, so simply click on this text, and at the left hand side you can see that we have the options to change this text. Suppose I want to add, let's build here, okay, and click on Update. From here we have successfully made the changes. And if you want to change these images from the background, then click on this, and you can see that at the left hand side we have got the option, and from here click on Style, and you can see that we have images right here, okay. And if you want to select another image, then simply click on Choose Image, and you'll be able to select an image from your media library. Suppose if I want to choose this image, and then click on Insert Media, you can see that this is how it looks right now, okay. This is also looking nice. And then click on Update. You can easily change any element like this in your website, okay. So simply click on Exit to Dashboard. Let's visit the site. Home, blog, contact. We have completed almost everything. Let me just show you that how we can add a logo, okay. So for adding a logo, simply click on Customize. And from here, you can see that at the left hand side, we have some new options. Click on Header Builder, okay. And from here, click on this here on Logo, okay. Or you can also click on this, okay, in this pencil icon. And from here, you can see that we have options for changing our logo. Simply click on Change Logo, and you can upload your own logo, okay. Logo image right here if you want to add any of this logo from here. you can simply select that image and click on select, and then skip cropping. Okay, you can see that there is our new logo. Okay, so that's how easy it is to change the logo. And then click on publish, simply close this, and you can see that this is how it looks right now, our logo. And click on contact us page. Many of you can ask me that how we can actually change the contact us page. This is also so easy as our home page. You can simply click on this edit with Elementor. Okay, whatever page you want to design or you want to edit, you have to simply go to that page and click on edit with Elementor. And from here, suppose you want to change your this phone number, simply click on this and you can write your phone number right here. Okay, suppose my phone number is 880179466750. Okay, this is my phone number, and you can also change your email. My email address is AAAS2414 AAAS2414 24145@gmail.com. Okay, you can also change the image from here. You can see that we have got the option for changing the image. You can do lots of things. Simply click on update. After doing that, in the same way, you can also design the new page. Okay, simply exit to dashboard, and from here go to the home page of our website. So you can see that we have successfully created our blog. So friends, that's all for today. See you in some other video, and don't forget to subscribe our Learn Ninja channel for some awesome, more beautiful tutorials like this. And please like this video, and if you face any problem, then you can comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe and also share our channel. Goodbye. See you in some other video.